I'm going to teach you how to build an automated AI video generator that takes a form submission and delivers the finished video on Telegram. We'll walk through a clean, reliable workflow that branches intelligently between text to video and image to video, waits for processing, checks status, and only proceeds when the result is truly ready. It all starts with the form submission. The workflow presents a simple web form where users provide a video description prompt, pick an aspect ratio like landscape or portrait, choose a quality level such as standard or HD, and optionally upload a starting image if they want to animate it. As soon as the form is submitted, the workflow captures those inputs and kicks off processing. Think of this as the front door to the entire automation. Right after that, the workflow checks whether an image was uploaded. This decision point matters because it selects the appropriate generation path. If there's no image, we go text to video, using only the prompt. If there is an image, we switch to image to video, where the image becomes the starting frame for animation. Each path needs slightly different inputs, so this check keeps everything accurate. On the text to video side, the system sends the prompt, aspect ratio, and quality to the video generation API and begins rendering. Because video creation takes time, the workflow waits briefly to avoid polling too early. After the pause, it checks the task's status. If it's not finished, the workflow loops back to wait a bit longer, then checks again. Once the status confirms the video is ready, the workflow downloads the file and immediately sends it to Telegram so the user can watch or save it. For best results, write a clear, visual prompt, match the aspect ratio to where you'll publish, and remember that higher quality can take longer to render. On the image to video side, the process begins by uploading the user's image to an image hosting service to obtain a public URL. This step ensures the generation API can access the file. With the URL and the user's prompt in hand, the workflow requests the animated video. Just like before, it waits, checks status, and loops until the task is complete. When the service reports success, the workflow downloads the generated video and delivers it to Telegram right away. For smoother animations, start with a sharp, well-lit image and keep the prompt consistent with the image's content. And that's the full journey. Capture inputs, choose the right path, wait and verify, then download and deliver. It's predictable, user-friendly, and ready for real-world use.